garnishing. And my blue tea is also ready. This is vermicelli. Hello viewers, once again welcome to my channel Animashu, and today I'll be showing you a kheer recipe. Well, this is also known as the payasam, and I will be making this kheer today with vermicelli. So let's check the ingredients and let's start. Okay, for this vermicelli kheer you require vermicelli. So I'm using this packet of vermicelli. It has 95 grams and it costs ₹10. The other things to fry, I will be requiring ghee. I'm using Jharna ghee. For sweetening, I'll be using this date palm Jaggery. This is a specialty you get in the winter seasons. So this is also available online. At the end, I will be using a little bit of carom water to give it flavor. The other ingredients I require are milk. Essential part, I'm having milk of 1.5 liters. So you can use full toned milk, double toned, half toned or full cream milk. I am using a toned milk today. The other thing I'm requiring is the bay leaf. It also adds the flavor. Cardamom pods, cashew and raisins for garnishing. I will be starting with frying the vermicelli. So let's start. Now I've put the karai on the flame. I'll fry the cashews first. So let me put some ghee in the pan and the cashews. Let me switch on the. And I've also put the milk to a boil. This is pre-boiled, but again put it on flame so that it's done. And I'm going to put some ghee, a teaspoon of ghee to fry the vermicelli. to fry it till it's golden brown in color. Fry it on low flame, otherwise it will get burnt very easily. Now here the milk is boiling, and to this I will be adding the bay leaf. I'll add the bay leaf. This is also on slow flame. Along with the bay leaf, I use I'll stick one cardamom, and I'm putting it here. The rest of the cardamoms are here, and I'll just powder it and use it again. You can see the color is changing to golden. You have to stir it continuously at this stage. Now it's all fried up, it's all golden brown. I'll just switch off the flame and we'll transfer this in the milk which is boiling. Now this will let it boil on slow flame, and this will take nearly about 20 minutes before we add the sugar or the jaggery for sweetening. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, I've just added the jaggery at this point for sweetening. Now if you are adding stevia or sugar free, you will be required to add that at the end when it's totally complete. Add sugar or jaggery as per your taste. We like to eat sweet, so I'm adding much more. Now let it boil again. This will melt and let it boil for some time, at least 5 minutes. Then I will come back to this one. On the left side you can see that I am making tea, a special tea. This is the blue tea I will be making. It says caffeine free butterfly pea fallow tea, and I already have this video uploaded in my channel. I'll give the link in the description box. You can check it out there if you like. So let this vermicelli kheer be ready, and I'll be back in 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, this is nearly ready. At this moment, before turning off the flame, I'll add the raisins and save a few for garnishing. I'll add the cardamom powder, give it a stir. So you can see the consistency is like this. Scrape the sides of the pan. Milk is thickened. Now we always make payasam or khir in this particular vessel. This is specifically for making payasam or khir. You can make it in non-stick pan also if you like, or whatever vessel you have. So this is the color after adding the jaggery, and if you add sugar it is whitish, and in that case if you like you can add saffron also. So at the end, before turning off the flame, I'll add a little bit of khir water just for flavor and taste. So I'll add it just a bit. So this is ready. I'll just turn off the flame. So this is ready. If you like this video, give it a share and a like, and definitely if you love sweets, desserts, do prepare this. This is very easily made, and all the ingredients are easily available in the local market or the grocery shop or online also. And at the end, I wish you all health, wealth and happiness. Bye till then.